You a happy dog? I love you. You a happy baby? You like it here?
Oh, I guess that is all.
You happy baby? Oh, Faye, say hi. Hi, you're happy? See a pretty girl?
Well, she said mom's making mashed potatoes and stuffing. I bought fried chicken, potato salad, making mac and cheese, sugar cookies, and buttered croissants.
Except no potatoes because they are rotten. Hmm? Faith, say hi. Say hi. I think she's gained some weight.
What do you think?
A little bulky. You like it, Faith? Yes, you good baby.
Look at me. Hey, Faith. Oh, that's creepy.